Hey everyone, one of the most unexpected and ambitious announcements in contemporary gaming technology, the new Steam Machine represents Valve's reinvigorated effort to convert the PC experience into a portable, console-friendly form. The first Steam Machine project failed 10 years ago due to a number of factors, including too many manufacturers, too many variants, high costs, and bad timing. Today, Valve is back with a single internal vision rather than a loose alliance of OEMs. Additionally, based on the hardware and Valve's standing following the Steam Deck's success, this second attempt seems far more advanced, pertinent, and likely to be successful. The Steam Machine's physical design is simple and clearly Valve. It is smaller than most consoles and even smaller than many mini PCs, taking the form of a tiny 16 by 16 centimeters cube. Only Valve would try to customize this subtle, black finish style. Custom printed pieces, third-party graphics, or even a unique e-ink front plate valve showcased on stage can be used to replace the complete front face, which is a detachable magnetic panel. The power button and a well-chosen set of connections, including a micro SD card slot and two USB 3.0 ports, are located beneath the panel, with two USB-A 2.0 connections for keyboards and mice, a USB-C port, Ethernet, HDMI DisplayPort, and an integrated power supply. So customers just need a basic cable. Valve offers more connectivity around the rear. In addition to Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E, bundles that come with the new Steam controller now come with a pre-installed 2.4 GHz wireless adapter for low-latency accessory pairing. The device is essentially a highly optimized tiny PC running Steam OS, despite Valve's portrayal of it as a console. Thanks to the Steam Deck, the operating system has been greatly improved over time, and Valve's Proton compatibility layer has grown remarkably strong. The vast majority of Windows games on Steam now function flawlessly on Linux thanks to Proton, providing the Steam Machine instant access to a vast game catalog. A unique AMD CPU created especially for Valve's environment powers the Steam Machine. Supported by a 30-watt CPU TDP, it has 6 Zen-based CPU cores with 12 threads, with 28 compute units and an independent power consumption of 110 to 130 watts. The integrated RDNA 3 GPU offers performance on par with a mobile RTX 4060 or Radeon RX 7600M. This is paired with 16 gigs of RAM by Valve, with 8 gigs set aside as VRAM for the GPU. With the anticipated help of AMD's upscaling and frame generation technologies, early hands-on assessments indicate that many contemporary games run smoothly at 4K 60 FPS. According to reports, Cyberpunk 2077 operated flawlessly at ultra settings utilizing FSR with ray tracing enabled, which is remarkable for a system this small. But more demanding Unreal Engine 5 games, like Silent Hill F, strain the system's capabilities at native 4K, necessitating a downgrade to 1440p in order to preserve fluid performance. The price approach of Valve will be crucial. The Steam Machine will fit in between contemporary consoles and reasonably priced gaming PCs if the entry-level device can be priced between $500 and $700. This might make it the preferred choice for gamers who want true PC freedom without having to build a system. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and micro SD expansion, the Steam Frame headgear is a standalone virtual reality gadget. All of these products will only be available in nations where Steam is officially supported when they are released in early 2026. They will be transported to other areas via parallel import routes. Among Valve's new hardware, the Steam Machine is the most adaptable and possibly revolutionary. It's a small PC, a console substitute, a gateway to virtual reality, and a smooth addition to the Steam network. For millions of players who mostly play games like FIFA, Dota, and Counter-Strike, the Steam Machine offers an easy and reasonably priced option to enjoy PC gaming without having to set up a rig. This gadget may usher in a new popular category that combines PC versatility with console simplicity if Valve can keep the price reasonable. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.